A study investigates income level in the U.S. to determine if it is independent of region. If there are 10 regions and 5 income levels, how many degrees of freedom are there to find the critical value for a chi-square test of independence? A 50, B 49, C 9, D 36, or E 48? Let's look at what is given to us so we can solve this problem. We know there are 10 regions. That would be our number of columns that we're going to use. And we know there are 5 income levels. That's going to be the number of rows we use. So I'm going to write that down. That way we know what is given to us. Given 10 regions, and that is the number of columns. And we also know that there are 5 income levels. And that is our number of rows. Now the problem wants to know how many degrees of freedom there are to find critical value for the chi-square test of independence. Alright, well, degrees of freedom is noted by DF. And to find this, we're going to go C minus 1. C is your number of columns, times R minus 1. And R is your number of rows. So that's going to equal 10 minus 1 times 5 minus 1, which equals 9 times 4, which equals 36. So in this case, your answer is D, 36. That's the number of degrees of freedom there are, and that's the number of degrees of freedom you would use to find the critical value for a chi-square test of independence.